first part of the fitting process is to assemble the door lining kit into a door lining. You'll probably have to work on your knees for this, so it's a good idea to wear knee pads. The head section has rebates on each side. On one side, the rebates should be spaced to suit a 762mm wide door, and on the other side, the rebates should be spaced to suit a 686mm wide door. Select the rebates for your door width and drill 2 screw clearance holes through each rebate, ready for fixing the screws. Then lay the jambs and the head section on their side on a flat surface. Slide the jambs into the rebates and fix with 75mm wood screws. Take care to keep the edges of the jambs and the head section flush with each other. Rest the end of the frame on a piece of batten so you can saw off the overhang on each side of the head section. You want it to be flush with the outside edge of each jamb. Next, the door lining needs to be braced temporarily so that the jambs are parallel and the head is square to the jambs. 50mm by 50mm plain timber is ideal to use for this. First, fit a brace about 100mm up from the bottom of the door lining to keep the jambs parallel. Make sure that the measurement between the jambs is the same at the top and the bottom. Then, using the utility square up one of the top corners and fit a diagonal brace across the corner to keep it square while the door lining is being fixed. The door lining is now ready to be pushed into the wall opening and fixed.